Hello, welcome back. So this is the final aspect of how to use Dexscreener. So you check on your Dexscreener and you are going to see where the root Moonlight. Okay, so this is Moonlight over here. It's a Dexscreener launcher. Just leave it at that. Dexscreener launcher. Before you see any coin on Dexscreener, it must come through moonshot area. Okay, someone may want to know what moonshot is. Moonshot is basically used to trade coin on Solana ecosystem. So before you can buy any coin from moonshot, make sure you have Soflare wallet or any of the Solana wallet. Make sure it's being funded with Solana, because you have to connect your wallet before you buy or make any transactions. If you are lucky to catch a coin here before it gets listed on Dexscreener, you can be making like 3 to 4x of your capital. Yes, you heard me right. 3 to 4x of your capital. So what's happening is that once it's complete the bond up to 100%. Okay, let's say like this one now. You see, once this green gets to the last place, okay, that is 100%. This is almost half of it. Okay, this toast, all right, this it has a 36% in the last 24 hours. Okay, transactions 204, volume 14k. Okay, so if you bought this coin from here, by now you must have taken your capital and other profit attached to it. Okay, then you left the rest profit to run around. Okay, so okay, 5, no red flags yet. It's good. Okay, it's a good one. Okay, now to monitor your coins, you can also set an alert over here. Enable, can just enable it. Okay, so just pick any of them, set and right, then you click on set alert. It's just as simple as that. There's no much thing to be done here. Let me go back. So as I said earlier, once it's complete its bond up to 100%, to be transferred to Radium, okay, and other Solana exchange. So if you catch the coin, for example, if you check a coin and it's just starting, okay, something like 5k market cap. Okay, now there is no guarantee actually that to get to 100. Okay, volume could be from 500. Okay, looking at this, wow, 14k volume. This one has 14k. Okay, there's transaction going on here. Okay, now if you actually want to buy this coin, all you have to do is to just click on trades. Okay, the same thing. Once you tap on trades, so you click on the wallet you have, or you can just go to browser. Remember that the way you buy is the way you also sell. Okay, so you see that if you want to buy, you click here. If you want to sell, you click here. Simple. All you have to do now is just to connect your wallet. This is just the simple procedure to go about this. Okay, there's nothing difficult, but you still have to wait for the end of the bond. In Moonlight, you have to wait. Okay, but if you still want to take your profit, no problem, you can still go ahead to do that. Okay, let's go back. So look at where you get your contract address from. All right, audit, no issue, yeah. All right, it's as simple as that. Please subscribe to this channel and follow me on my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. See you in my next video and have a lovely day. Bye.